All right, my 8th graders, you are never going to get away from y equals mx plus b. So I want you guys to do these 10 problems that have to do with it, just graphing using slope-intercept form. And remember, it's called slope-intercept form because your slope is m and then intercept is your y-intercept. It's this plus b. So if you have it, it's y equals mx plus b. And we want to start at our plus b. So that tells us that we are starting at a positive 3 on my y-axis. I'm going to go up a little bit more. I'm going to make some tick marks on here. Tomorrow I'll remember to bring home a board that has a graph already made on the back, and that will help me. Okay, so I start at this plus b. So 1, 2, 3, that is my starting point. I know that that is going to be on my line. However my line looks, that's going to be there. And then this, whatever's in front of your x, that is going to be your slope. Now remember, we can put any number as a fraction by putting it over 1. So this tells us the rise. The top is the rise, the bottom is the run. So we rise to 1, 2, and we have to make sure when we run once, so run 1, if we ran that way, that would be a positive line, and I have a negative slope. So I have to go up 2 over 1 to the left. That means when I connect those two lines, it'll be down, going down from left to right, and so it'll be a negative line, which I need because my line is negative because of this right here, okay? So I can go up to left 1, and then I can go down to right 1, and I can keep going like all day. You guys know this, up 2 over 1. And I can keep going and going and going, and all of those dots are going to line up in this line. All right. I want to show you guys another one. Just as a reminder, I'm going to use this one in brown. So y equals 4/3 x minus 2. So remember, y equals mx plus b. This plus b is where I want to start. So plus b, I start right there. And now my rise and my run tell me how far up I'm going and then how far over. I also can see that it's a positive slope. So I'll go up 4 and then over 3 to the right because that's going to make it go up, going left to right. I'll show you what I mean by that. So 4 over 3. Up 4 is my rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 3. 1, 2, 3. That dot is on that line. And then I can do it again. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 3. 2, 3. And that dot is going to be on that line. I can even go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 3 this way. 1, 2, 3. And that would be in line with the rest of them. You see that? So just a little reminder as far as y equals mx plus b. On a side note, if this was a systems of equations, this right here where they cross, that would be your answer. But for today, we're just graphing in y equals mx plus b. Tomorrow, we build on this with something super fun, and I'm crazy excited. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Oh, okay. Anyway, that's tomorrow.